Hey everybody, it's Bobby, and I'm here with another great recipe for you today. Look, I love salads. That's no secret. People who know me know that. And when I say salad, you might just go, oh, gosh, so boring. No, not necessarily. There's all different types of salads. And what I really like are some specific flavors, taste, and root vegetables. And today we're going to start with beets. This is a great salad. It's super simple, and I think that you're going to like it. Okay, 'tis the season for root vegetables. You can find beets in your local grocery store in the produce. But if you'd like, you can do what I'm doing, which is to use some canned beets today. I've drained them. They've been sitting here for a few minutes, and they're nice and dry. I'm going to put them in the oven on broil for just a few minutes, and I'm going to turn them. I'm going to check them and turn them, make sure I don't burn them, because you know that these beets will burn. I've sprayed down my pan to make sure that they don't stick. And the first step, super simple. Put your drained beets on the pan, stick them in the oven on broil, and check on them every 2 to 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and put them in the oven, and then we'll come right back. Our roast beet salad is going to be really, really good, and it might look like, sort of Ed just said, that looks like a one-person salad. Well, the reason for that is because I cut the recipe in half. But anyhow, I told you these were some of my favorite flavors, but I didn't tell you what they were, so let's go over them. The beets, love them. One of my favorite things. Olives, give me more. I can eat the whole jar and drink all of the juice. And I used to do that as a kid. Feta cheese, love it. Little rice wine vinegar, olive oil, little hot sauce, garlic powder, and some fresh dill. So our beets we roasted, or excuse me, our beets we broiled for just a few minutes in the oven. Give them a little color, cook them a little bit. They look perfect. I put them on a greased pan to make sure that they didn't stick. So I'm going to go ahead and toss them into the bowl. Let's quit goofing around and just do it. So in go our beets. Embrace beets. If you don't like them, try them again. They're really good, and they're really good for you. And this might be a great way to introduce others to something new. So our olives, we'll start with our big chunky stuff here. Our feta cheese. Little rice wine vinegar. Whoops. Little olive oil. The hot sauce, a dash if you like. If you don't like hot sauce, you could always add it later to taste. The dill is a little bit big, so I'm going to give it just a quick little cut on the smallest cutting board that we got. I don't know about you, but I really like dill. And the smell of it, once you take a knife to it, oh boy, it just really opens up. I like dill on my salmon too. Salmon with lemon, dill, Dijon. Okay, I'm going to mix this and sort of just fold it together. I don't want to tear it up. Look how beautiful, just so quickly that became beautiful. Once the liquid hit everything, you get the shine on the beets. Beets, feta, olives, dill, wonderful flavors together. A little bit of garlic powder, just a little, not a whole lot. Just enough to know it's there. And the hot sauce I'm going to save off to the side, and if we feel that we need it, we will. That is so beautiful. The beets add an amazing color, and I don't have a plate to put it on. Do you have a plate? Why don't we take a break, and we'll come right back. Roasted beet salad. We've got all of our ingredients combined. And again, this looks like a small amount because I cut the recipe in half. So I could easily eat this by myself. And would, and will. Beautiful, wonderful aroma coming from that salad. It's really, it's a step above just a regular salad. So if you've got some friends coming over and you want to make a nice meal and do something a little bit different for them as their starter, this roasted beet salad would really do the trick. It's beautiful. I'm sure it's flavorful. Mm, 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 mm. So good. A sophisticated little salad. It's a step above just lettuce and cucumbers and tomatoes and what have you. So, for your next party or gathering, make a roasted beet salad with feta cheese, olives, little dill, rice wine vinegar, and olive oil, a little salt and pepper to taste, and a dash of hot sauce if you like. And I think that you'll be really pleased. So, till next time, bon appetit.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.